Hello everyone, welcome to Quality with Mubari. This is Mubari here, and today we're gonna cover how to get descriptive statistics and get this from this dataset or pretty much any dataset that you have, right? So today we're gonna use Minitab, and I'll show you how you can get this dataset and how you can put in your own numbers. First of all, let me tell you where exactly you can download this dataset. So I downloaded this one from the Minitab website. So I'll leave the link in the description down below. And I chose this one, the customer complaints data. It's a simple dataset that has the day, the number of days, and it has 30. Let's see, yeah, 30 rows, and then it's telling you how many complaints we got on each day. All right, so it's pretty simple, it's basic, and let me show you how you can get this. All right, so let me delete everything here, just a second. All right, and let me. All right, so once you download it, it should open up. Once you click on it, it should open up on Minitab. All right, so this is the view that you'll get once you put in the dataset. All right, and then let me just pull this one up here. All right, so in this dataset, the first step that you're gonna do is that you are going to go to this tab here, stat, and then go to basic statistics, and then display descriptive statistics. And then it will ask you what are the variables that you want to work with. You can either double click on this one, or you can simply click on it and then click on select. And then before you click on OK, I want you to go to statistics, and then this is where you can select or remove all the predefined ones or pre-selected ones, right? So let's say I want to get the mean, I want to get the standard error of the mean, I want to get the standard deviation, maybe the variance, I can go with that, and then I can get the sum for the data in case I don't want to calculate it manually, or to avoid recalculating everything. And then we got the minimum, the maximum, maybe I want the range here, n, which is the number of the values that you have in your dataset. And then let's see, I think that's good so far. And then we got the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and then maybe the interquartile range, which is the IQR. It's pretty cool that it can calculate the IQR without having you to calculate everything, right? So why not ask Minitab to get the IQR as well? And then I think that's pretty much everything. Let's take the mode as well. All right, so I'll just click on OK, and then after that I'll click on OK, and then it will show us this amazing view. All right, so n is the number of values, so in case you want to double check that, you can simply do this. Let's scroll down below, and we have 30 rows, and that's n. So n star or n asterisk here, this is showing the missing values. All right, so what this means, let's say I go over here and delete the 17, it will detect that something is not adding up, or something is different from the original calculation, right? So what you can do is that you can click on update these results, and there you go. The n that we deleted, the missing value, it's showing here as n star, right? Or as n asterisk, all right? And then let's set it back to be it was 17, right? Then you can update these results, and there you go. Everything is back to normal. And then it calculated the mean, which is 19.933, standard error, standard deviation, the variance, the sum, the minimum, Q1, and then so that's pretty cool. It summarized everything for us here, so that's pretty amazing here. All right, so that's pretty much everything for today regarding getting descriptive statistics, how you can summarize data with simply a few steps. And yeah, that's pretty much everything for today. So if you like the video, let me know. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know as well. And yeah, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.